May 2022 local real estate market update. Now, during the months of February and March, we were expecting a cool down in Toronto's housing market. In April, we saw this cool down reflected in the monthly statistics. Hi, this is Jessie with the Jessie Group with eXp Realty, and welcome to our local market update for May 2022. Let's see the stats of the real estate market behavior. House sales were down 26% over March and 44% on a year-over-year basis. The average price for a house was $1,527,743, down from $1,679,429 in February, but up 17% over last year. The median house was $1,348,094, down from $1.485 million in February, but up 18% over last year. What about listings? While new listings were down 14% over last year, but very strong compared to previous years. The share of houses selling for more than the owner's asking price declined to 69% in April. Now, how is the market going for condos? Well, the average price for a condo fell to $819,698, down from $840,444 in March, but up 16% over last year. And the median price for a condo was $750,000, up 16% over last year, but down from $777,000 over the last month. Now, condo sales were down 35% over the last year and well below pre-pandemic sales volumes in 2019. New condo listings were down 7% over last year, but well ahead the new listing volume in 2019 and 20. Meanwhile, inventory continues to build at the fastest rate since 2010. Active listings in Toronto have risen by 9,000 since January, nearly double the long-term seasonal norm. April saw the second largest monthly decline in seasonally adjusted average house prices since at least 2005. It's spring market time in Toronto, so why are home sales falling? The spring market is usually the busiest time of year for real estate sales, with sales typically increasing between March and April over the last decade in Toronto. This increase has averaged about 8% per year, but this year, the opposite is happening. Here are two primary reasons why this is happening. Rising interest rates. 5-year mortgage rates are in the 4% range today. Fast-track demand. The COVID-19 pandemic, along with record low interest rates, pulled a lot of people's home buying plans forward, which has caused a surge in demand and prices for homes over the past 2 years across the Toronto area and beyond. It seems that buyers are pulling out of the market. House sales peaked in early March and have been on a downward trend since then. Another trend that is starting to stand out is that urban houses performing better than suburban houses. Even within the city of Toronto, the urban housing market has performed better, in part because house prices in these areas did not grow as much as they did in suburban markets. Stay tuned to our monthly updates to get the latest information about the Toronto real estate market. If you're interested in making a move or need any advice, please give us a call and we'd be more than glad to help you. Remember, this is Jessie with the Jessie Group with eXp Realty. We help buyers and sellers make nice moves.